Have you ever thought of making money with your Opay app? I'm going to teach you in 2 simple steps how to make money with your Opay app. What you are going to do first is to go to Google Play Store and download Opay app, and you will be ready to go. If this is your first time on this channel, please watch to the end, as every point in this video is very important to your affiliate marketing journey and make money online journey. Thank you. So as you can see, I already have the Opay app downloaded on my Android device, and this is my Opay app. So I'm required to enter the 6-digit password. Checking in, have automatically been awarded 3 naira for checking in. So the information is here is that I will get 100 naira on day 5. So once you have downloaded the Opay app from your Opay account, you can also send money or withdraw through Opay cards. It's totally free. Or you can withdraw via Opay merchants. Send money to Opay merchants wallet and get cash equivalents. So you can open this and check if you have available voucher. Once you click on it, it will show if you have voucher available. You can buy your data here, convert your airtime to data. You can make your betting here. If you click here on betting, we have iLot bet. You can also choose from any betting platform that you want: Sportybet, Africa 365, BankBet, Football.com, YG Game, Bet Niger, OneXBet, any bet that you want. Let's say, for example, Bet Niger. Then all I need to do here is to enter my user ID, and then once I enter my user ID, I'll click on the amount that I want to bet and click on pay. Once I click on pay, I'll automatically be directed, and I will be required to place my bet. So from O Wallet, this is a place where you can save money or get interest on savings that you have made. This is my interest. So I can click on withdraw, and if I continue withdrawing, maybe I say to my Opay balance, or I say to bank, and I say available amount 75. Okay, they said that the minimum withdrawal is from 100 naira. So let's go to loan. Let's say you want to apply for loan based on the time frame you accept. So from here, I'm required to put my BVN. So put my BVN, and once I click my BVN, I'll click on next, and once I click on next, I can automatically loan any amount of my choice. Verify you have, okay, the information here also says verify your BVN to increase your account limit. So once I insert my BVN here, I can start loaning. Part in this place is where it says invite friends to get 3,000 naira. So share invitation link stroke code with friends, register and fund wallet to 2,000 or more, and you will receive rewards in your wallet. So when I share this invitation link and I load 2,000 naira in my Opay account, once users or the invitee that I invited through my referral, I will get 800 naira, or any person I invite. Invite more persons, you will get 800 naira. One user is 800, two user is 1,800, and three user is 3,000 naira. So this is how to make use of the Opay app. So this particular page is for rewards, and this side, this particular page is for finance. Save daily, weekly or monthly towards your goal. Once you click on target, you can start saving daily, weekly, monthly. You can either save for accommodation, education, or whatever you want to save for. You can save for you can spend and save. Save a percentage every time you spend or transfer. Save a percentage every time you spend or transfer. So anytime you make transfer on your Opay app, you can save a percentage. So automatically when you create this, every time you send or transfer, you, depending on how much you want to save, 50 naira, 100 naira, 200, 1,000, any amount at all, could be 20,000. Anytime you transfer or you send money, you will be debited. From here, you can check out your savings journey. So once you click on cards, from this page, you can get your card instantly. You can either apply for a virtual card or physical card. Security, CBN license, NDIC, insurance. So once you click here, click for home delivery. You will be taken to this page where you have to fill this form. Your state, your local government, your full address, your next bus stop, your phone number, an additional phone number. Once you have filled this form and click on next, your information will be submitted to Opay platform, and they will start contacting you for your physical ATM cards. I'm being asked this question every time. I'm asked if Opay is a business app. Well, Opay is divided into two: the personal and the business, and Opay business solution. The personal and Opay business solution. Opay is licensed by CBN and every deposit is insured by NDIC.